So usually I don't post videos like this because I usually don't like sharing like emotional stuff of what's going on in my life and so on. I'm usually sensitive to that. When it comes to family affairs and all of those stuff, I usually get very sensitive. But a while ago, a video popped up on my phone. It was a video of me from back in 2020. And at that time, I was struggling. My mom just got cancer. I wasn't making any senior teams. And life was just sad, honestly. And it was COVID. It was very, very sad. And you know, in that video, I was telling myself, because I like making clips of myself, like just one. I don't know if I'm going to post it yet, but I feel as if I should. And I was telling myself, yo, life get better. God has not forsaken you. You're not forgotten. Things will get better. You just need to work hard and be patient. And after I saw that video, I started to become so appreciative of life and of just my journey, because back in 2020, my mom was sick. I lost my brother the year before that. She died in 2021. But life also started to change because that's 3 years. And in that 3 years, I'm a 2-time Olympian. I got an Olympic bronze medal. I got a world championship medal. I'm engaged. I'm about to move into a neighborhood that I never dreamt that I would ever be able to move into, basically. And you know, October, I hate October. And I feel as if this month has changed so much, because the month that's usually my worst month has become one of my most, what would you call it? It's like a harvest season. A lot of good things happening, and I just gotta thank God and be grateful. So if anybody out there is going through a rough part in your life and you feel like giving up, don't give up, because you never know what God has in store for you. And just be patient. That's it.
So guys, that was Junelle sharing her sad story, her sad moment growing up from Jamaica, and now she is in America. She is giving God thanks and gratitude. What do you think about Junelle Bromfield? Do you feel like she is doing the right thing by sharing her story with a lot of people online? Anyway guys, let me hear your opinions in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel.